Okay, so what about the get method? We just have to create a public. It's going to return with the value, which is an integer, and we just have to specify the key. Okay, so first let's generate the index. So the generated index is equal to a hash function with the key. And again, we have to check that while the hash table with the generated index is not equal to a null, and what's very important that we have to check whether the hash table with the generated index dot get key is equal to the key or not. Because of the collision, we have to check that, okay, is it a null? And if it's not a null, it's fine, but we have to check that whether the keys are matching. As you can see, for example, we insert 100 when the key was the strawberry and so on, so we have to find the given item according to the keys. And we store the keys because this hash item has a key and value pair. Okay, so while it is true, then we have to generate another index. Basically, we have to consider the next array slot possible. So generated index +1, and we have to use the modulo operator. And after the while loop, we just have to check that if the hash table on the generated index is equal to a null, it means basically that we have failed to find a given item with the given key. It is a search miss basically, so we return -1, and as we know that we have found the item we are looking for, so we just have to return with the hash table. We get the hash item where the index is the generated index, and we get the value. Okay, so what's happening here? Again, we have to generate an index according to the hash function. This is how we map keys to array indices in this one-dimensional array. And while the hash table on the generated index, so the given hash item, is not equal to a null, and the hash table generated index key is not equal to the key we are looking for, then basically we just have to look for that given item in a linear probing manner. So we keep considering the next array slot possible. Is it the one we are looking for where the keys are matching? No. Okay, we keep considering the next array slot. Is it the one we are looking for? No. We keep considering, and so on. So this is how we implement the get method. Thanks for watching.